Hi Gemini, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Gemini. For your general energies, career situation, and relationship, Gemini, I'll be picking few cards, guys. So, first, for your general energies, we are picking three cards. For your relationship, I'll be picking three more cards, guys, and for your career situation, again three more cards. So we will turn these cards as we proceed into the reading, guys. So let's start with your daily energies. So it's three of fire, messenger of earth, and four of air. So these cards may relate to your career situation or your personal life situation, guys. So with these cards, Gemini, for your general energies, guys, you are a person who is really hardworking and you proceed with integrity and perseverance. So whatever your situation is, you put in your 100% efforts, use your skills and talents, and you are dedicated, devoted, and you do your best in any situation, and you never leave anything in a halfway. So you complete anything perfectly. So you are a person who has that um, thoroughness, and you make lot of efforts. So maybe with these efforts, that may be the reason for your success today. So things are moving towards taking you towards greater potential in life, and you are making the right choices, and you are on the right path to success, and abundance is what you see, guys. Maybe in your career situation or in your personal life, you are tasting success, and you have that clarity in your heart. And maybe for some of you, you are indulging in lot of work, so it may be quite tiring for you. And maybe for some of you, you are planning a holiday, or you are just wishing for a holiday. You want to take a break from this situation, and you want to take your mind off this work or these responsibilities. So maybe you are taking a holiday or a break from work. Maybe you want to spend time with your person, maybe for that reason. So that is what I see, guys. And maybe for some of you, even meditation or chanting or some kind of a religious practice, that may help you a lot, guys. So if you are interested in meditation, you can take that up, Gemini. That is going to help you in a very positive way, guys. So let's see what are these cards for your relationship first. It's transformation, ace of air, and four of earth. So with these cards, guys, in your relationship, this may be what you feel about this person or what they feel about you. So in this connection, whatever is happening right now, things are just rushing towards something, and it is beyond your control. Maybe you may have some arguments or some stressful situation, or this person moving out from your life, or some chaotic situation in your relationship. So whatever it is, you feel that the reason may be karma, or that laws of karma or destiny, That is the reason for certain things happening in a particular way. And you see that in all aspects of your life, it is that divine hand that is making those changes, and you don't have that fear or apprehension, because you may have that understanding that it is for your highest good. That is the reason for these changes coming in your situation today, guys. And I see great changes, guys, inevitable changes in your situation. Nothing will remain the same. So this is the time for great transition, and you are allowing these change. You are consciously allowing these change, because your circumstances may be out of control, guys. So it is really difficult for you to plan anything for you or for this love. So you are just standing there helpless, watching what is going to come around in this love. So you are, maybe for some of you, this person is moving away, and but you don't feel stressed or sad. You are just having that acceptance in your heart for your situation or the sudden change that has come out all on its own, guys. So you are unable to do anything. That is what I see with these cards, guys. So let's see what are the cards for your career situation. So we have picked 3 more cards. It's Queen of Water, King of Earth, 2 of Fire. So with these cards again, guys, in your situation, you have a plan for your future, and you are creating or progressing in that path that is going to take you towards success. So you have a clear idea what you need to do today, and what is your next plan of action. And you are a very compassionate person. You feel that emotional security today. Maybe you are comfortable where you are. Maybe there are certain stressful things going on in your life, in your relationship, but in your work situation, things are making you comfortable. You are happy where you are right now, guys. And whatever you do, you are doing it with that confidence, skill, and talents, and you are moving towards the greater potential for success, guys. Gemini. So that is what I see, Gemini, with these cards, and that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.